This video is an excerpt from one of the yoga session conducted at Yogashala. Videos from Mona Yogashala are not intended to diagnose, cure, treat and prevent any illness. Miss Mona is a trained yoga therapist. She is not your physician and can't possibly diagnose you through the internet. Expert advice is for educational purpose only and should not be a substitute for the medical advice of your physician or any other healthcare professional. While performing the yoga pose, utmost focus should be given on breathing awareness. Ease your body to the position and focus your mind on breathing, right? Okay, fine. Let's move to a back bend standing posture of intermediate level. It gives your belly, abdominal organs and intestines a good stretch, helps your digestion and makes your inner organs work properly again. Okay, let's assume some sthiti. Alright, today I am going to demonstrate Ardha Chakrasana, also known as half wheel pose. It is a precursor to the Chakrasana. Chakrasana is full wheel pose. Alright, Ardha Chakrasana or half wheel pose is easier to perform than the full wheel pose. Those who have a stiff back should attempt this first before going on to the more difficult full wheel pose, because it offers physical benefits that prepare the body mind for deeper back bends. From strength to flexibility, the gentle Ardha Chakrasana is the welfare pose. It provides a good stretch to the front of the legs all the way up to the toes, strengthens the core, lower back and the pelvic region. Okay, let's get started. I'll demonstrate two variations. Before getting into the position, let's practice few basic warm-ups to ease your way into the pose. Let's practice together. First warm-up. Stand straight. Balance your weight equally on both feet. Just watch. Inhale. Gently raise both the arms. Exhale. Bring them down. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Second warm-up. Inhale. Expand your ribs. Stretch both the arms at shoulder level. Exhale. Bring them in front of your chin. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now third warm-up. Inhale. Move both the arms behind your back. Exhale. Relax them. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Couple of more breaths. Okay, now we'll see how to perform the first variation of Ardha Chakrasana. So follow step by step, don't be in a hurry. Stand straight in Samsthiti like this. Keep your feet hip width apart from each other and arms alongside the body. Balance your weight equally on both feet. Stand tall and erect. With inhalation, lengthen your spine. You place your palms on your lower back, just above your buttocks. And With exhalation, bend backwards as much as your body allows you. Hold. Do not tense up your body. Stay in this position for few seconds and keep breathing. Now, breathing in, come up. Breathing out, bring the arms down and relax. You can repeat the posture 3 to 5 times, alright? Do not force yourself. Practice according to your capacity. Now, second variation, slightly different variation. Now, let's observe the pose once from behind so that you'll come to know the exact position at the back. Begin by assuming Samasthiti. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Gently place both your palms on your buttocks. Push them forward. Exhale and slowly bend backwards as much as your body allows you. Drop your neck down, upper jaw and lower jaw in contact with each other. Keep breathing and remain in the position for as long as is possible. Do not strain your back. Always focus on bringing your hips forward and bring your body weight on your toes while bending backwards. So keep in your mind, it's very useful tip, right? Now, breathing in, gently come up. Breathing out, bring the arms down and relax. Have you noticed the focus point? Yes. Always remember, if you are a beginner, it is very necessary to support the back with the hands, as you can harm your back very easily when you bend too much backwards without supports in your back. Now inhale, keep your body relaxed. Exhale, gently bend forward. Stay here for 2 to 3 breaths and relax. Come up. So this was the counter pose. So when you start practicing yoga regularly, with time, gradually you discover most suitable variation of the posture, which brings you the most benefit, right? A few slight changes, modifications can make the pose more comfortable for you as you work to improve and then increase the challenge, right? Okay, as you keep on practicing regularly, you will notice the change in your body's flexibility. Yes, it requires practice of weeks and months, right? So, be gentle, take your time. It's vital to listen to your body.